with another video. Today we're going to be topping off the fluids on this Acura NSX. So we're going to go over the various locations of the fluids and topping them off. Okay, so one of the easier ones to do, we'll just start off here. So this is where the windshield washer fluid reservoir is located. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to top this off. And so on this vehicle, the color of the tanks, they're a bit dark, so it can be hard to see, but we're going to show you how to address that, especially when it comes to the coolant. With this one, if you just hold the funnel above so you can see it, you can see when that level is rising up. So we got that one covered. Okay, so here's our brake fluid, and this one is pretty good, so we don't have to really mess with that. Also up here now we have the liquid injection system from Signs of Speed. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to mix our 50-50 meth distilled water combination, and we're going to go ahead and get that topped off. Okay, so we have here our tank of VP Racing M1 Methanol. We've got the distilled water here. So we're going to go ahead and top this off to get our 50-50 mix. And then we will load up the tank with our 50-50 mix. Hope I don't make a mess here. Can't be afford to waste in this stuff. These come in 5-gallon pails and bigger. So 5 gallons is the smallest. This stuff isn't cheap, so definitely want to use a funnel when mixing your fluid. Okay, so we got our 50-50 mix there completed. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the tank and get everything loaded up to put in the reservoir. Okay, so we'll put the cap on this, get them all mixed up there, and we'll go ahead and we'll fill up the reservoir. Now, from looking on the Signs of Speed website, it says this reservoir is over a gallon. But for today's purposes, we'll just fill it up with 1 gallon of the 50-50 mix. So it looks like we weren't completely empty in the tank to begin with. It looks like we did have a little bit of liquid in there. So we got a little extra left over. Okay, so now we're going to move to the back where we're going to take care of the coolant. So what we got to do here is just pop off our cover. And I'll go ahead and we'll pop off this cover too. And so here we have the coolant section, and over here we have the engine oil with the dipstick. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fill up the coolant. And so as you can see, the opacity of this tank is very dark. So I'll show you how to get around that. Okay, so to help with seeing the level of the tank, what you can do is get a flashlight. I'm going to use my little GoPro attachment here. We're going to put this on the brightest setting. We're going to set it on top of the tank. And then now when you look down into the tank, you can actually see how low the fluid's way down here, and we need to come all the way up here. So now with visibility, we can go ahead and fill up our reservoir. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it and check it. So that's how you can do this process to get the tank filled up. So we're going to start pouring. So we're going to fill it, and then we're going to check it to make sure we're at the right level, because it is kind of hard to see. So I poured a little bit in there. I'm going to check it out now to see where we're sitting. Okay, a little ways more to go. Okay, we got the coolant all topped off. So with the flashlights shining in the tank, you can see that we are fully topped off now. So that's a little trick that you can use in order to get that fluid topped off. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Just wanted to show you that the maintenance of this vehicle when it comes to the fluids, it should not be an intimidating experience. Just because this is a high performance vehicle, now you can start to see and understand some of the values and benefits to how this vehicle was designed. You've got a lot of components up in the front, and you got some in the back. Everything is spread out in a manner that makes it very accessible and very maintenance friendly, so to speak. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos coming soon, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.